per my perspective, there are three skills which are evergreen, which would be needed today, tomorrow, which are basically problem solving, creativity, and influencing skills. If you are working in an organization, problem solving is a part of your life. We should be thriving at understanding how to solve problems. And along with creativity, that leads to a very, very profound impact on our innovation ecosystem. So these three skills are very, very critical for us to thrive in the future work scenario. Apart from that, in today's time, the skills have a very short span of life. We need to continually understand what is to learn, what next to learn. So what becomes very critical as a skill set is how do we learn? What is our methodology to learn? What is our favorite style to learn? Because the skill is going to be the currency of today and tomorrow. So we should have a very, very focus on how do we learn. Number 4 is we should look at other areas when we're trying to solve problems. For example, human resources. We should look at, if we have to design employee experience, what are other functions telling us? Let's say user experience. User experience would talk about products and services. Can we incorporate those skill set in designing employee experience? Number 5, so much of information overload is happening. How do we understand what not to take into our brain? So creating a focus, less of disruption is another skill set which we would need in future, and that comes with a lot of practice. So for me, these are the 5 skills which we would need if we have to thrive in the future.